Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about a numerical on previous year GATE questions on the topic of semiconductor. According to the given problem, it is written that the Hall coefficient of a specimen is given by 3.06 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter cube per coulomb, and the resistivity of the sample is given by 6.93 into 10 to the power minus 3 ohm meter. We have to find the majority carrier mobility value. That means we have to find the mobility value of the majority carriers. Now, if we look at the data that is given in the numerical, that is here the resistivity value RH is given by 3.06 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter cube per coulomb, and the resistivity value of the sample is given by rho, that is the resistivity is given by 6.93 into 10 to the power minus 3 ohm meter. Now we have to find the majority carrier mobility, and we know that mobility value can be found as the RH divided by the resistivity value. Because we know that the resistivity can be written by 1 by conductivity, and conductivity equation can be written as RH divided by mu. So from this equation we can find the value of mu as Hall coefficient divided by the resistivity. So Hall coefficient value has been given by this value, and resistivity value has also been given. So if I put both the values in the equation and calculate, then we can find that it will be 0.044 meter square volt second. So this is the value of the carrier mobility inside the sample. Thank you.